Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Have you ever thought about hosting on Airbnb? Today we'll be exploring that very prospect. This video is your guide to the top 5 things you should know before embarking on your hosting journey. From understanding your market to the power of reviews, Airbnb's policies, the importance of communication, and preparing for the unexpected. There's a lot to learn, and we're here to navigate those waters with you. So let's dive into the nitty-gritty of hosting on Airbnb. The first thing you need to understand is your market. It's vital to know who your potential guests are and what they're looking for. Are they families seeking a homey vibe or professionals needing a quiet retreat? Tailoring your listing to meet their needs is key. Competitive pricing is important, but don't underestimate the pull of unique amenities. A well-stocked kitchen or a cozy reading nook can make all the difference. Remember, knowing your market is the first step to becoming a successful Airbnb host. Secondly, never underestimate the power of reviews. They're the lifeblood of your Airbnb listing, the heartbeat that keeps it thriving. Positive reviews not only boost your visibility but also instill trust in potential guests. But let's not kid ourselves. Negative feedback can and will happen. It's how you handle it that counts. Apologize, make amends, and most importantly, learn from it. Remember, every review is a chance to grow and improve. In this business, your reputation is everything. Thirdly, you must familiarize yourself with Airbnb's policies. These guidelines are the backbone of your hosting experience. They set the stage for your interactions with guests, dictating what is acceptable and what isn't. The cancellation policies, for instance, protect both you and your guests from unexpected circumstances. Equally significant are the rules concerning guest behavior. Understanding them helps you maintain a peaceful and respectful hosting environment. Staying on the right side of Airbnb's policies is not just a suggestion, it's a must. Fourth on our list is the crucial role of communication. As a host, your line of contact with guests should be as clear as a summer's day. Answer inquiries promptly, offer assistance when needed, and ensure your guests feel welcomed and well-informed. This isn't just about politeness, it's about building trust and setting expectations. Guests appreciate hosts who are responsive and attentive. Ultimately, this communication excellence can lead to more positive reviews and increased bookings. In the world of Airbnb hosting, good communication is key. Finally, always be prepared for the unexpected. The world of hosting can be full of surprises. You might face last-minute cancellations or even property damage. These instances, while not the norm, do occur, and it's essential to be ready for them. Flexibility is a key attribute of a successful host. Having a contingency plan is equally crucial. This could mean having alternative accommodation options for your guests or an emergency fund for sudden repairs. As the saying goes, always expect the unexpected. So, there you have it. We've journeyed through the complex world of Airbnb hosting, from understanding your market and harnessing the power of reviews to navigating Airbnb's policies. We've highlighted the irreplaceable value of good communication and preparedness for the unexpected. Each of these elements forms a cornerstone of successful hosting. As with all things, the journey of hosting is one of learning and growth. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know before you start hosting, the better equipped you'll be for success. Happy hosting!